Bitcoin is about to create a massive breakout, but do not get fooled right now, because we are trading in a weekend and we are still fighting with massive levels of resistance. So I am going to be explaining that exactly what is going to be happening next. Well, right now is going to be the time you want to be starting to prepare yourself, so make sure to smash up that like button, and as always, let's have a look into what's that imminent short term. And first of all, yes, we are actually still trying to be breaking above that previous all-time high, but we have not gotten that decisive break just yet. Now, yesterday we actually had a very good attempt to be breaking above that previous all-time high, but still, yes, we did actually break above that previous all-time high, but we got a massive rejection and we did not really get our decisive break. Now, at the point of the breakout of this previous all-time high, well, I was actually kind of flabbergasted, because yesterday I also shared in this video that I expect that we are going to be seeing some more consolidation before eventually next week, then we are going to be breaking above that previous all-time high. So yeah, I already kind of found it strange that we were seeing this breakout yesterday, and well, yes indeed, in the end of the day, this once again actually was another fake out. But well, we are currently still seeing very bullish consolidation just underneath our previous all-time high, and this is actually a very bullish thing, because consolidation underneath resistance is bullish. Now, I do think that eventually still, whenever we are decisively going to be breaking above that previous all-time high, still we are going to be creating this huge candle towards the upside. However, please do not get fooled during this weekend, because usually during the weekend we tend to just see some boring consolidation at around our CME close price. On top of that, we are also starting to form some kind of consolidation pattern, and you can also easily be getting wrecked over here. So yeah, we are about to see a breakout occurring anytime soon outside of this ascending triangle, but because we are trading in a weekend, well, I'm not really taking it all too seriously. Of course, fake outs tend to occur way more often during a weekend, so I think it is going to be more likely that we are just going to be continuing our consolidation until starting next week, because then institutions will once again be able to start buying more Bitcoin again. And I have seen a very clear trend that especially during the beginning of every single week, well, these institutions tend to buy a lot more Bitcoin than during the end of the week. So yeah, I do expect that during the course of the weekend we can be seeing a little bit more of a consolidation and some chopping around, but then starting next week you want to be prepared, because then I think we are going to be seeing this huge breakout. But having a quick look into what's the metrics, yes, these Bitcoin funding rates are once again actually sitting quite low in my opinion, which is only going to be a bullish signal. Of course, the Bitcoin funding rates are in the bull market territory, and whenever in bull market territory the funding rates are going to be low, well, that is a very bullish signal. On top of that, yesterday we took out all of our liquidity and we are still in our bull market territory, in our most exponential stages. So right now is not going to be the time to be bearish on Bitcoin. And because of all of these reasons combined, and many more reasons that I've been talking about for many times on this YouTube channel, well, I've positioned myself with this Bitcoin long position. I am going to be awaiting this breakout outside of the all-time high. That is going to be my plan. Now, for this Bitcoin trade, I've shared my exact entries in my free VIP group that you can right now be joining with that link down below. And if you are as well going to be getting interested in trading, you can right now claim a $200 trade over on Bybit. Also for Bybit, that link is going to be down below. And on top of that $200 trade, you can also be claiming a $40,000 deposit bonus whenever you use that same exact link. Now, if Bybit is not going to be available in your country, you can be checking out a DEEPCOIN also with that link down below. But anyways, what many people are right now saying to me is they already think that they've missed the boat with altcoins. But if we actually have a look into what's the altcoin market cap chart, well, we are still trading relatively low. If we compare this chart with, for example, Bitcoin, well, Bitcoin is obviously already trading at its all-time highs, but this altcoin chart is still actually trading very, very low, and all of the altcoins are yet to be in a bull market, because believe me, also this altcoin chart will also be exploding towards the upside and also set new all-time highs. So yeah, you are actually going to be still quite early. Now, one thing to do keep in mind is that it can all go very, very quickly, because whenever we are going to be breaking above that previous all-time high, well, historically, we have always doubled in about 2 weeks or so. Last cycle, we very quickly reached that 1.618 Fibonacci level of resistance, which in this case is going to be sitting at that 100k mark. So yeah, once again, we can be hitting that level very, very quickly. So yeah, like I've been explaining, right now is actually going to be the time to be getting ready with your Bitcoin positions, with your altcoin plays, and well, all of that I am sharing for free in my free VIP group. But anyways, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.